Hi everybody and welcome back to Journal with Laura. Today's journaling practice is going to help you to focus on what matters most. So this is perfect if you're right now super overwhelmed, you're looking at a to-do list that is way too big, you have no idea where to get started, you have not enough time, you're super overwhelmed. I really hope that this journaling practice is going to help you to really focus on what matters most so that you can achieve your goals as fast and as easy as possible. So grab a journal, grab a pen, and let's get started. Okay, so this journaling practice is inspired by the book The One Thing by Gary Keller, which I read in the mid of 2019, and it has absolutely changed my life. I'm not even kidding. I highly recommend you guys to read this book. And so the biggest learning that I got from The One Thing by Gary Keller is that it's really not about doing a lot of things. It's not really about ticking off all the things from your to-do list. And it's also not about doing the things that are most easy. It's about doing the right thing. It's about doing the thing that will actually make the biggest progress towards your goals, right? So I feel like for us, it's super easy to just look at our to-do list and to just start ticking off everything that is on there, maybe that is even put there by other people, and not even questioning whether this is actually helping us to achieve our goals. So the one big original focusing question that we're kind of going to change a little bit in this journaling practice from the book is, what's the one thing I can do today such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary? Let's open our journal. And what I want you to do is actually look onto your to-do list right now of your day or your week. And then really find the area in your life that is causing you the biggest overwhelm right now. So that could, for example, be university or a work project, or your budget, you really want to save some money, or you really want to become better at time management, planning, organizing, you want to get your health back on track. Okay, and then once you have decided, I want you to pick a goal in that area that you have, like a big goal, right? That could be like a yearly goal that you have for 2019 or a monthly goal. For example, for me at uni, it would be to finish my dissertation project, or for budgeting, it would be to save a certain amount by the end of the year. Okay, and once you have that in your mind, I was also just thinking about my goals, like, what am I actually doing for this journaling practice right now? Anyway, so I want you to write down the question. What's the one thing that's annoying I can do today to make most progress to, and then you want to insert your goals. So for example, to transition to a plant-based diet, to finishing that project at university, to making a certain amount of money in my business, whatever it is. And then such that by doing it, everything else on my to-do list will be easier or unnecessary? Wow, what a big question, right? Obviously, it's fine if right now you can't figure out yet like the one thing. However, I do want you to brainstorm. So really think about that question now and maybe brainstorm a few things, and then we're gonna pick out the one thing that you're gonna focus on today. Okay, and then when you've written down a few things, then I again want you to look at them and think, okay, what of those action steps will make the biggest impact, like the biggest difference? What will move you forward the most? And here it doesn't matter how uncomfortable this action step is, how hard it might be. It's about really knowing what's the one thing that's gonna make the biggest difference, right? And then committing to doing that because you know that it will move you forward towards your goals faster. Okay, and now it is obviously about scheduling that into your day and then actually doing it. Let me know down below if you want me to do a journaling video about setting priorities and time management, because that's obviously very connected to this focusing question and to really focusing on what matters most. Again, if you have not checked out The One Thing by Gary Keller yet, I will leave it down below so you can check it out, you can get it. It's such an incredible book. Feel free to share this video with someone in your life who you might know is struggling a bit with overwhelm. They're not really sure what to focus on. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to Journal with Laura, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!